How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to SeaWorld Orlando, where we are here to try out the all-new Pipeline the Surf Coaster, one that I've been trying to get on for the better most of a year, but we are here back and better than ever to try out this new surf coaster by B&M. Now, what's interesting is that in recent theme park news, Vekoma, I know, fitting outfit to be wearing today, Vekoma has since gone forward with a lawsuit towards B&M for stealing their design. Now that we have the official patent for the surf coaster, it's interesting what Vekoma's version of it would have been. It definitely looked very interesting. I don't know how I would feel about it. Whether or not this lawsuit is, was a smart move in my opinion. I don't think we're gonna see a surf coaster come to, say, like a Disney or Universal park, but it's definitely fitting here at SeaWorld. It's just interesting how Vekoma is going forward with this lawsuit towards Bolliger and Mabillard, B&M. Definitely very interesting. Well, we're gonna go hop on. I brought the GoPro, so we're gonna strap it on and go on Pipeline the Surf Coaster, and then I will let you know what I think right afterwards. So let's go do that. That's fine. All right. Yeah, so that was a fun ride. As like my first time on Pipeline, I've already been on it a couple times, and definitely the front row I found it to be very, get some of that airtime sensation. I'll definitely have to try it in the back now, but in the front row, that was a lot of fun. Definitely for this type of ride, it's definitely a great fit with the surfing theme here at SeaWorld. I can't recommend it enough. Mako still is my #1 in the park, in my opinion. Mako is supreme, but Pipeline, the surf coaster, definitely a standout here, especially one that you see right when you enter the park. Alright, anyway guys, thanks for coming out to surf the waves with us here on Pipeline. Hopefully we will be back very soon again to SeaWorld Orlando. Until next time guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Take care!